So this is the box that Nadula sent me, and inside it there was a cap. The wig came in a bag, and all of these were in the wig, as well as an adjustable band. On the inside was the gorgeous 180 density wig. It's super thick, and this is before the clip where you see the wig in the middle part. So this is the parting space, 13 by 4. It has clips all around and the band at the back to make it glueless if you would like to. And then pretty much the baby hairs and how pre-plucked it is. So let's just jump into the video. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So if you want to see how I pretty much got this super light beat and super sleek silky straight hair from Nadula Hair, just keep on watching this, get ready with me. So Nadula Hair sent me this gorgeous wig. It obviously came black and I dyed it. If you'd like to see the dye tutorial, it is up on my channel. So Nadula sent me this wig. It is 22 inches, 180% density, and it is a 13 by 4 lace front wig. So with that being said, 13 by 4 in the frontal, this 22 inches of gorgeous hair. It took the color so well. It's like reddish burgundy, more on the burgundy side than the red side, and I just love it so much. I feel like this is just a look for the fall time, and if you like to achieve this look, definitely check out the description box below for how to purchase this wig and how to get onto Nadula's website. Also, they are having a big 11/11 sale. So what that is on November 11th, Nadula is having a sale where you could get 46% off. 46% off all purchases, every single thing that you get on their website. So pretty much this wig will be half price. It is already affordable, and y'all gonna collect some more coins, save some more coins. So I definitely encourage y'all to shop this sale because it's gorgeous hair, and I feel like y'all are gonna just love this sale and eat it up. So just keep on watching to see how I get my makeup like this. I haven't done a makeup tutorial in a long time, and how I get my hair bone straight with my Nadula wig. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check the links in the description box, and I will see you lovely ladies in the next one. Okay loves, so let's just quickly jump into the hair portion of this video. This hair is Nadula's hair. I'm wearing their 22-inch straight lace front wig in the 13 by 4. It definitely could probably pass for 13 by 6 because of how long the parting space is, but wearing my little fashionable outfit, and yeah, let's just jump into doing the straightening part of this tutorial. So I will leave background music in, and it won't take over 10 minutes to do this. Like, straightening your hair is so easy, it's so simple, and with Nadula's hair, straightening Nadula's hair is so not time consuming. Like, I'm not even making that up. It's so easy to straighten this hair because of how bone straight it gets with little to no flyaways at all. Like, when I straighten this hair super straight, you barely see any type of flyaways in this hair. It's just so gorgeous to me, and once I'm done, I'll show you like what the ends look like and stuff. But it's pretty much like red and burgundy, so it's like a darker burgundy when it gets down to the ends, and I did clip it up, so as you can see, like, it's like layered. So yeah, I actually love Nadula's hair. I have watched so many reviews of girls saying how they like it, as well as when I go onto their website and stuff, and I honestly think that it's great hair. It's amazing hair. It's good quality hair, and it lasts so long. Like, I have a bunch of wigs from Nadula Hair, a bunch that I've actually purchased without them sending it to me, and a bunch that they have sent to me personally, because it is one of my favorite hair. One of my favorite straight hair to get is from Nadula Hair, because their hair is like really good quality. It reminds me of like bundles that you would get back in 2016 or 2015, and they would just last long. Or you know that one girl that always wears straight hair in high school and her hair is always so sleek? Like, that's what this hair reminds me of, because it just lasts so long, especially their wigs. Their lace lasts long, their frontals last long, the hairs on the lace last long. Like, this is a wig that you'd get when you just want something for, you know, a long time and you want your money's worth. Like, look at this. One pass through the hair, through all the sections that I've done, and it's so gorgeous. So let's just complete the other side. But yeah, I love Nadula's hair on a whole, and I think y'all will love it too. Oh, by the way, Nadula is having a sale. Let me say it again, a sale, okay, honey? It's their big 11/11 sale. So in China they have like this really big sale where all companies will like drop their prices or give discount codes for you to get gorgeous hair, and Nadula is one of those companies. So I have gotten word that there is a 46% off sale, so you'll basically get almost close to, not 50%, but 46, so it's almost close to half of your purchase. So you won't be paying, just like how we buy Fashion Nova and it's 40% off all the time, damn near. It's the same thing. Like, if you want bundles on bundles on bundles, wigs on wigs on wigs, this gorgeous 180 density wig is so thick. Like, please get it on their 11/11 sale. So they do have a discount code. I have gotten it. I don't remember it by heart. I think it's YTB, standing for YouTube, Nadula, and something else. Oh my god, I wish I remembered, but I will definitely leave it on the screen, because it's definitely something I think y'all should participate in, especially those looking for a good long-lasting straight wig with like just good luster, shine, something that takes color well. This is it, honey. So yeah, I love it, and I think y'all love it too. Black or whatever color you choose to color it. I also have a video on how exactly I got this red color with this Nadula wig, so definitely go and check it out. It is on my channel. It will be up before this video, so definitely check that out. And oh my god, like, I don't think y'all understand. Like, this hair gets so straight, it doesn't even make no type of sense. And the more heat I use, the straighter it gets, and it just looks so gorgeous. I'm not gonna use a hot comb today because the hair lay down pretty well and it's still intact from yesterday. So yeah, let me not try to run late for my dinner, because your girls is hungry. So yeah, that pretty much concludes everything about this hair. It's gorgeous, it's shiny, it's full of flow. Like, this hair is so flowy. Do y'all see that? And it's really thick. So if you like to purchase this wig from Nadula Hair. All the links to the hair will be in the description box below. So thank you so much, Nadula, for sending me this gorgeous frontal wig, and I will definitely see you lovely ladies in my next video.